Guys, how you doing today? So again, we're working today on beautiful Tesla Model 3. And what we're doing with this vehicle, so front end, we're doing PPF completely, half of the car, because clients using for the motorways this vehicle, and the paint is extremely thin. Okay, we got about 80 microns, which is super thin. And we got some other half of the car, we got a couple of defects. We're going to dress it with a machine polishing. So after machine polishing, it's ceramic coated. And like I said, the front end will be done with a PPF, so will be much more preserve and protect through the stone chips, and durability will be much better for the paintwork. So like I said, guys, previously we're going to paint correct it. There's someone literally scratched all the way back of the boot. Whole boot is scratched, whole line. So we're going to paint correct it. I just gotta make a reservation. The devil in my phone, he wanna talk, but I'm not really up for conversations. I can have my cake and eat it too. I just gotta make a reservation. Chilling in my head, but it's hot. Flames everywhere, I see Satan. Demons try to run up in my spot a lot. Really running out of patience. So guys, we completely paint corrected whole vehicle. One stage polish. We remove all the defects from front to back. And for front, we're doing PPF. It's such a lovely model, Tesla 3. And more about PPF tell you Mr. Marian here.
So we're going to go with the front end, which means the hood, the wings, bumper, headlights, wing mirrors. And especially on this particular customer, we're going to have the lower doors done because they are exposed to a lot of physical impact from the wheels. And splash guards on the rear wheels, like that. From partial coverage, we can obtain the maximum possible protection for this vehicle. All the PPF is going to be, it is already cutted and extended for more coverage, so we're not going to have edges which are going to be exposed, and the PPF is going to be literally invisible.
All right, fantastic. Looking forward. Enjoy the video, guys, especially with Marian work, such a professional job. And like I said, enjoy the video and see you with the next one, guys. And it requires, please contact ECK Detailing. And thank you very much for all your support on YouTube. Like, share, subscribe, and see you with the next one, guys.